Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to use the extend sheet command. So let's start. Here is the command in Surface tab, and as per the definition, it is going to extend a sheet body by distance or to the intersection with another body. That means we can offer some value to increase the length of the sheet or decrease the length of the sheet. Along with that, we can have the option to have the intersection with another body. We will get the demonstration one by one. Now, let's start with reading the options provided in the dialog box. I'm just going to first reset this command. Now, I'm just going to have the settings, and here the very first option is regarding the edge. The command will ask you to select the edge which you want to get extended. So here I'm just going to have the simple one, this one, and I'm just going to increase some value. Now, have you focus on this edge. And if I just click on show result, this edge will get disappear. Why so? Let's have a check on that. In the body output option, I have turned on the option of extend original sheet. If I switch the option to extend as a new face, then it will create a new face and you can see the boundaries clearly. And another option is regarding the sheet. That means it will create a new sheet instead of creating a face. So this is the options which you will get in the body output. The very first option which you will get in the body output as extend original sheet. Next option is regarding the extends as new face. Then the last option will be extends a new sheet. These will be the options which you will get in the body output. So this is how you can use the extend sheet command in Siemens NX. Now let's have a deep dive into the command. Just go to the extend sheet. Here we have the option of offset and until selected. Offset means it is going to offer some distance. Suppose if I select this edge and I can increase up to some value as well as decrease up to some value. However, we are just going to keep it simple. So we are going to increase this by the value of 69 and just click on show results. So this is how it will appear. But what if I just click on extend original sheet and click on show results? So it will get merged with the original sheet. So this is how it is going to work. Next, we have until selected. So let's start with understanding what is until selected. In the extrude command, we also have the option of until selected. So just creating a reference that what is until selected. So I'm just again going to the extend sheet and here I'm just going to select the until selected. Here I'm just going to select this edge and this is going to be until selected. Now you can see this will get extended up to the intersection with the brown sheet. So this is the option which we will use while using the extend sheet command with the limit options. We have checked for both the options. First is offset and then we have until selected. Now let's again check for the limit with offset option because we have to check for surface extension shape. Now let's hover the mouse here. So it is going to extend a B surface with small area that is curvature continuous at the boundary and then tangent beyond that area. That means if you want to have the natural curvature while extending the sheet, you can see the gray part or the gray face is going to be created as a new one. So it will have a small area that is going to be curvature continuous. Then it will go with the tangency beyond that area. And then we have natural tangent. You can see here the gray portion extend the B surface tangent from the boundary. Okay. So these are some of the extension types that what extension type you want to have. Then we have the mirrored. That means it is going to be have the mirror image. You can check these options on your own. However, just let me have a look like this. This is going to be the natural curvature. Then we have the natural tangent here. So this is how it will come. You can check for the different shapes so that you can have analyzed with more of the shapes, like what shapes are going to be have the change. Okay. Because you will not identify the changes here as this is already a curvature type shape. So I would suggest you to practice this on your own. Just click on apply now. And here we have the automatic, tangent and orthogonal. So let's check what are these options. I'm just going to have this, and this is going to be orthogonal. Orthogonal means it is going to be a straight extension like this. And if I just go to the tangent, so it will follow a tangency. Now let's check some more examples. So for that, I'm just going to have a sketch here. I'm just going to create a sketch. And this way, just finish this. I'm just going to use the command of fill surface. Hide the sketch, then go to extend sheet. And here I'm just going to have the tangent and select this. So it will be a tangent newly generated surface. And what if I just go to orthogonal? So you can see it will be a straight face. So this is how we can illustrate the different options with different examples. As you can see, we were unable to identify the changes here. However, we can clearly see the changes here. So this is orthogonal. However, this is going to be tangent. This is maintaining the tangency. So this is how we can have the deep insights of the extend sheet. So let's have a quick recap of this option. First, we have gone with the option of body output, that what are the different options which are provided in the extend sheet. Then we have studied about what is offset, then what is until selected, which are being provided in the limits of extend sheet. Along with that, we have also identified that what is tangent, what is curvature, and what is mirrored profile for the extension shape. And at last, we have identified about the orthogonal and tangent as in the option which was regarding the edge extension shape. So this completes the extend sheet command. Let me finish this with a very important statement that this is one of the simple command, however, mostly used in the industry, because you are going to extend the sheets again and again to have the intersection with some adjacent faces or adjacent sheets, and then you are going to apply the trim sheets to have the sharp corners between those sheets. So I would suggest you to practice more and more with the extend sheet. So that is all regarding the extend sheet command. If you have learned something new from this video, please do hit a like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.